Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to go bold in the FaceApp in 2026. Ever wondered how you'd look bold? FaceApp makes it super easy to preview that look in just a few seconds. Now here's how to do it by following these few simple steps. But before we start, here's a quick guide on how to download the FaceApp application. We're just gonna head to the Play Store or App Store depending on which device you're using. It's both available on Android and iOS devices. You can download it here. Then you're gonna make sure to install the app, and after installing the app you're gonna make sure to launch the app and give it permission to your gallery. Now after you give it permission to your gallery, you're gonna open the Face app. Then you're gonna upload a photo from your gallery or take a new one. You can use both. As you can see here in the bottom, there's a camera option or a gallery option. You can choose one from the gallery if you want. Now once you click on it, you're gonna go to the hair or hairstyle section. You're gonna scroll. As you can see in the bottom, there are tools. You're gonna choose hairstyle. You're gonna click on it, and here is what it's gonna be displayed, different hairstyles here. Now if you want to go fully bold, you have to choose the Hitman. Now the Hitman style is for premium users only, so if you want to try that out, you might want to upgrade to the premium. Now if you don't have premium, you can use the haircut here, as you can see here, and you can choose the level 5. And as you can see here, it is almost bold. Now you can save and share your results and use a clear front facing photo, avoid shadows on your hair, and try different lighting for realistic results. Now trying the bold look is quick and fun with the Face app. Give it a try and see your new style instantly. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.